Welcome to our comprehensive guide on creating your astrology profile on Snapchat. Let's dive into the steps together. Begin by opening the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once the app is open, locate and tap on your avatar or profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Underneath your name, you'll see a purple Zodiac symbol. Tap on this symbol to access the astrology profile creation feature. Next, enter the information regarding your time of birth and the place of birth as prompted. This data will help personalize your astrology profile on Snapchat. Once you have filled in the necessary information, tap on the Complete button to finalize and save your astrology profile settings. By following these straightforward steps, you can create your astrology profile on Snapchat and explore the insights and features tailored to your zodiac sign. Thank you for joining us for this tutorial. Enhance your Snapchat experience by unlocking the astrology profile feature and discovering more about yourself through the lens of astrology. Enjoy exploring the world of astrology within the Snapchat app.